Hello and thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time visiting, I certainly appreciate you giving me this opportunity. Please be sure to check out some of my other repair videos and see if any of them might be able to help you out. Also, consider a subscription to the channel, that will be greatly appreciated. Today we're back working on the new project car, the 2008 Honda Element. Now I'm not going to be doing any repairs in this video, but what I am going to be doing is getting this thing cleaned up. I'm not quite sure what this car's job was in its last life, but it is disgusting. At this point, I would be ashamed to let even a pig ride in it. Not only am I going to be getting the car washed up, I'm also going to polish it and apply ceramic coating to it as well. Now I don't normally do this kind of video, so please go down in the comments and tell me what you think. Also, as an added bonus, if you watch to the end, I'll be giving a slow-mo demonstration of ceramic coating and its hydrophobic properties. One last thing, my pressure washer did fail on me as I was getting everything ready for this video, so you just have to be content with the spray nozzle. Sorry about that. Enough talk, let's get on to the washing. All right, we're back. So a couple days later, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage of cleaning this car up. That took several hours. This car was absolutely filthy. But now we got a nice bright sunny day. I'm going to walk around and just let you see the end result. Again, this car, the paint's in pretty good shape. It's got a couple places and dings and whatnot, but the clear coat, unlike my other Honda Accord that I had, is actually exist on this vehicle. So I don't know if that's going to show up the swirls and all on the hood. I've got something here I'm going to try and take care of that with in just a second. Tires on this car were almost brand new when I bought it, so they turned out looking pretty black. Not too bad. Main thing is the interior. This thing was absolutely filthy. They've been hauling ducks and chickens and whatnot, I think, in this thing. But the main thing, of course, is the seats. I feel comfortable sitting in these again. Don't feel like I need a tetanus shot every time I get out of it. They turned out really good. The dashboard's nice and clean now. Happy with the result. I know this is a 15-year-old car, but you know. So I'm going to show you on the bench here. I'm actually going to polish this thing with a buffing compound, and we're going to see what the result is after that. Let me go show you on the bench what I have to try that with. All right, I'm going to start off with, I actually went and purchased a $15 bottle of Meguiar's Ultimate Compound for Color Clarity Restorer. We'll see if I get a before and after like on the label there. Again, this is a 15-year-old paint job. I'm not going to spend a lot of money on this. I'm going to apply that with the DA buffing wheel here, and also bought the Meguiar's Super Shine for the plastics. See how if I can get those nice and bright again. And at the end of all this, I am going to apply this Chemical Guys product, the Hydro Slick Ceramic Coating Hyper Wax. I'm not so sure this is a true ceramic coating, but it's some kind of suspension of whatever they put in ceramic coating. We'll see how that looks at the end, and that's applied here with this microfiber that's over a sponge. So I'm going to start another little montage here showing me going through this. Hopefully you guys will get a kick out of watching the whole car get polished up. So there we have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, even though this car is 15 years old, it occurred to me while I was filming that I'm fortunate in life to be able to own even one car, and I should express gratitude. Now, I know that some folks watching this will be thrilled to own this car, so I decided to do it some justice rather than treat it like a 15-year-old beater project car. We should all take a moment every day to be grateful for what we have rather than being bitter about those things that we don't have. Now, the repairs will begin in the next video, so in the meantime, here is your ASMR water beading. Enjoy.